Have you ever found a mysterious charge on your Neon account that you didn't recognize? It's a frustrating experience, but don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of disputing a transaction on Neon. Imagine you're scrolling through your recent transactions and see a charge for a service you never used. Your heart sinks. What do you do? Before we dive into the dispute process, let's understand why disputes happen. Sometimes, unauthorized charges occur due to fraud or identity theft. Other times, it might be a simple mistake or a billing error. Step 1. Review your transaction history. The first step in disputing a transaction is to carefully review your transaction history. Look for any unusual charges or discrepancies. Pay attention to the date, amount, and merchant name. Step 2. Contact the merchant. If you believe the charge is a mistake, try contacting the merchant directly. Explain the situation and ask them to investigate the transaction. They may be able to resolve the issue quickly. Step 3. Contact Neon customer support. If you're unable to resolve the issue with the merchant, the next step is to contact Neon's customer support. They have a dedicated team to handle disputes. Neon's dispute process. Neon's dispute process is relatively straightforward. Here's what you can expect. Gather evidence, collect any relevant documentation, such as receipts, emails, or screenshots. Submit a dispute, contact Neon's customer support and provide them with the necessary information. Investigation. Neon will investigate the dispute and gather additional information from the merchant. Resolution. Depending on the outcome of the investigation, Neon may credit your account or continue to investigate. Tips for a successful dispute. Act promptly. The sooner you report the dispute, the better your chances of a successful resolution. Be patient. Disputes can take time to resolve. Be patient and follow up as needed. Keep records. Maintain a record of all your communications with the merchant and Neon. Disputing a transaction on Neon can be a stressful process, but by following these steps and remaining patient, you can increase your chances of a successful resolution. Remember, you have the right to dispute unauthorized charges. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.